And see, progress, you know? Anyway, my name is Diego the Cross-Eyed Villain. That's my comedy name. And y'all can see why them call me the Cross-Eyed Villain. That's me, I cross. Now, the first, Johnny Daly is my booking agent. All who remember Johnny Daly from Lime Tree Lane. And the first show Johnny sent me for the perform, the people them say, you know him have good jokes in but him not interact with the crowd. Because them say the whole time me I the joke, me I looking at the wall. But them never know say I can't say I'm here. You understand? But it have its advantages and its disadvantages going on. Because who in here ever shop my price mart? When you know it's busy on a Saturday, don't hard to find parking space. Now me go price mart and me drive around so till could I find a parking space? And then me remember say, but wait, me here in a cars. So me just pull up in our handicap parking. When me pull up in the parking space now, the security come to me. You cannot park here, no sir. So me say, why me can't park there? Why? And why don't me I? So him say, okay, you're good man. So the supervisor say, Siki, why you make the mother park in the handicap space? Him say, no man, I'm a handicap, So it have its advantages too, but the disadvantages now, me do have a car and me end up sell it. Because police always stop me and I say me a drive and gears. So the amount of ticket me get for reckless driving. And even with relationship, who no one know about the relationship part. You believe said the woman when me I talk to now, I never she me that looking up. Me see two girls a walk. Who know I hear?
Me don't laugh.
I know some mother fan, see her the right person on you, so. Move big up yourself. Me never make her proud in high school, but the program I make you proud of me now. So, you know, how me end up talk to the wrong woman now? It's like, me see two girls, I can't know if you're busy, so you have to make eye contact with the person. Most time, me and people not say eye to eye. So, me see the girl, them a pass and I say, hey! But the one when me a call to, at the car say, the other one pick up, so the wrong one stop. So I saw me end up with the wrong woman and right now, she want left me because she said me I see somebody on the side. You know why me come off? No, but guess what? No, I just say go with the eye thing, you know? But it have its advantages and its disadvantages. And me have to leave with that word because we have to keep it serious too. And Eleanor Roosevelt, I think it's Eleanor Roosevelt said, the future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. And as the speaker said earlier, believe in your dreams. Believe in your dreams. And see, we can make it happen. Thank you, people.